G'day guys, Mark here and welcome to Down Empire. In this episode, we're going to take a look at Andrea's new channel, More Than a House, where she's just purchased a little shack up in the Murray River and she's going to turn it into her first Airbnb. So for those who are keen on DIY, home renos, stuff like that, maybe even something the wife might enjoy, we're going to check out episode 1 right now. So go check out Andy's new channel, More Than a House, and don't forget to subscribe and support. Cheers guys.
Thanks. Hey everyone, I'm Andy and welcome to episode 1 of More Than a House. I've just purchased this little shack on the Murray River, Walker's Flat, South Australia. Follow us on the journey of building our first Airbnb. Alright, we're on our way to Walker's Flat and we just got a flat tyre. Already
failed.
Yeah. This is what renovating is going to be like.
Yeah,
hiccups all the way.
That's it. So yeah, anyway, stop the tyre over. Luckily we're not in the hills anymore because it was pouring back there. But yeah, we're not far off now. Really looking forward to getting there and showing you guys around. And I'm Mark.
And welcome to our first episode of More Than a House. We just brought this little shack in Walker's Flat, SA, and we're going to do some big renovations and just make it something we love, something colourful and fun, so we can come up here with friends and family and put it on Airbnb. So we're going to film our progress and the whole process and see what happens.
Alright, so today is pretty much just a walk around of the property and see what we haven't touched anything. We've just walked in.
Literally got the keys.
We just literally got the keys. It's only just set at 9 AM this morning. It's been a long time coming. Pretty excited. So yeah, we're gonna have a look around and see what we've got ahead of us.
Okay, alright, this is our little grand tour. Come have a look at our bathroom. Lights. This is our light. And we got this kind of funky camp shower going on. And I thought this was a feature wall, but Mark says it's just the studs of the wall, so we're going to cover that apparently.
That's definitely not a finished wall.
Yeah, so this we've got some pretty big plans for. We're thinking like a feature wall at the back, like a nice glass paneling shower. We're going to keep the cement. We love cement. We're just going to maybe put a bit of colour through it. And just keep it really white and bright, just, maybe one feature. Alright, so here we've got our awesome paved sunroom. So I did have an idea maybe to paint the pavers all some cool colours, but we might just put cement over it and have all the house kind of matching. Because we've got some steps here, we got all sorts going on. Alright, so here is the best view of the house. You can see the lagoon, which is the whole reason we brought this property. Here, where these windows are, we're going to gut this and put in a nice stacker glass door just to open it up, and we're going to eventually put a deck up. Mike's just squishing a wolf. These windows are going to leave because they're pretty cool. They wind out and it will just be a nice place for a day bed, maybe some books, some plants, just make it like a chill out area. And we're going to put a fireplace right here, which will be cool, kind of heat up the whole little place. here is the biggest, probably odd space, and we weren't really sure what we're going to do here, but we've got kind of a rough idea, which we might want to cut out this wall, and we'll kind of do something with it, maybe some bar stools. This wall I want to make something bright coloured, so we're thinking maybe some wood paneling, do some patterns, and this is my favourite roof of the whole place. It's a really cool ceiling. Yeah, not much else in here really. We might put a TV if we have to have a TV. Yeah, we got steps everywhere. This is a big step. We think this was originally one shack, and then someone brought it and they added on another bit, and then the next people added on another bit. So there's like 3 levels, which we're gonna just use it to our advantage. Yeah, kind of make it little, separates the rooms kind of, which should be cool. In here we have our littlest, tiniest bedroom. You can see it's not much bigger than me. And it's got windows everywhere, windows. And another cool roof, like an angled roof, but it's a bit saggy. Yeah, might not last, I don't know. And we're hoping there's some more cool cement under here, but we'll have to rip off this lino and expose it and paint it. We were thinking maybe some like a LED light glass in here just to let some natural light in. But we'll see when we get to this room. Still not 100% sure here. Yeah, you can see they had some fun with some cool stripes, which I like, yeah. Strange colours, but whatever. Another step. Alright, then this is the main room, the biggest room in the house, and what we think would have been the original dwelling. Yeah, we thought this might be a door window. Kind of odd, but we're going to go with it. So we're going to actually turn this section to about here into a bedroom. Master bedroom, probably, don't know, maybe put a new fan in, fix the roof up a bit. Yeah, get rid of this. Because you don't really want a bedroom looking into another bedroom, that's a bit strange. Yeah. Then we'll go, so this bit will all be removed, probably to here. And obviously we're going to put a new kitchen in. This kitchen is a bit interesting. They did start putting a new kitchen in, but like this is, nothing's strong, nothing's stuck anywhere.
Fixed.
And there's actually no taps to this sink. You would not believe people, this poor Carrie, beautiful lady, was living without any taps. No. There is some pipe work, but it just leads to nowhere. It's just a pipe, no, doesn't go anywhere.
I hadn't actually even looked at that yet.
Yeah. So, don't know what's going to happen there. Hopefully Mark can sort something out.
We'll be able to work something.
So we're
And tell them also about something else that we noticed when we first walked in.
Oh, this is the only light, or fixed light of the house. Obviously in the bathroom you've seen there was a little lamp, but this is, no other room has any lights. This is a very special part of the house, the only light. Oh, there is also a lamp here.
Lamps everywhere.
Lamps in it. This is one of my favourite bits of the house. This awesome little stove fireplace. It's got some electrical cords coming out, but we'll gut that and hopefully make it back to a little fireplace or something. It's pretty cool. And this will kind of be the feature of this room. Yeah, I want to get rid of this. Oh, yeah, that would be easy. Sorry. Yeah, what else? This, here, we're hoping to become a window. Because it's kind of weird, this kind of the house, you got no windows. We might put a fridge here and then the kitchen. So it'd be nice to look out, see who's coming. Because the windows at the moment have screen and you kind of can't see the front of this front driveway. So we're hoping to put some windows in. Should be fun.
Definitely.
All right, so maybe we should go have a look outside and see what's really good about this place. Solid, pretty solid, and loads of rainwater tanks. A ridiculous amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the mega one behind you there. It's actually ridiculous. Should we have a look around the front?
We'll have a quick look at the front because this out the back is like the glory spot.
Yeah.
You want to look at the front first.
We actually really like these fences. Look how cute they are.
They are pretty cool.
So we're hoping to maybe like fix them a bit, put some new sticks in or logs or whatever you call it. Posts, yeah. Maybe trim these down. I don't know what we think we should do here.
Now we are outside and it is a bit windy, so hopefully that doesn't pick up on the camera too much.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the front of the house. As you see, there's no front door. So it's like one door in and out. Yeah, it's like a rendered sort of 70s stuff. We think this is 1970 build, from what we can tell.
Yeah.
We're open to be corrected
And
on
I
that.
do love the green. So we're probably going to do another shade of greeny blue, but obviously fresh. Make it look a bit better.
A lot.
Get rid of all this rubbish. And this will be where our window will be here somewhere. So we've got a fridge to about here, maybe a bit of window. But it means we'll have to get rid of some of these. But fortunately, we've got heaps of room.
Yeah, there is tons of room. It's a 1,000 square meters, so it's like
Yeah.
quarter of an acre. So it's on the main roads there, and then it backs onto the lagoon, which we'll go have a look in a minute. And we do want to put some of these rainwater tanks for the house. We want to move them around here. So yeah, once the rainwater tanks have moved, it will sort of free up the front of the house to be a nicer entrance as well.
So we're thinking of removing some of these tanks. We're going to put them around the other side because they are blocking our view. If you come around here, more steps. Look at it. Paradise. Alright, this is the lagoon. Plenty of birds and animals. It's really pretty just to sit out here and have a look, see the cliffs. The main river's back near the cliffs. So we got this little quiet spot where no one really comes down much. Yeah, nice and peaceful. And that's it for out here. This is going to be our favourite spot. I want to put like a little picnic table down here so we can sit out and chill. Yeah, just relax.
That's going to be a wrap for this time around.
Yeah.
Episode 1 on More Than a House.
I hope you're as excited as we are.
Probably not as excited.
Yeah. It's a lot of work.
It is going to be a lot of work, but yeah, exciting.
Yeah.
So
Can we do it?
we can do it.
Yeah. If you want to follow this journey, subscribe and see where this goes and watch what we do.
Yeah, so don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment, and also
Any great ideas?
yeah,
Comment.
yeah, feedback, ideas, all welcome.
Well, we'll see you next episode of More Than a House.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, guys, so that was episode number 1 of More Than a House. If you enjoyed it, please go to Andy's channel. I will leave the details in the description below. Otherwise, search More Than a House on YouTube. You can also follow on Instagram at More Than a House. So that's it, and I will see you all on an upcoming episode of The Iron Empire and More Than a House.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.